Here at Kanmantoo, we've had a Sentry system in place since 2014. On a day-to-day basis, we're monitoring 2 different walls, and we're looking for slope movements. Also, we have the ability, if a wall moves too quickly and we can't pick up the actual slide, we use the studio software to look for those rock falls. We can then compare DTMs and look at movements, say, over 4 months or 6 months. We have very steep walls here. We cannot go directly under the wall in some instances, so we've used the Studio Geotechnical software module to actually do remote mapping. That allows us to define the more hazardous zones of the pit and allow us to manage them a lot safer than we did before. Sentry here at Kanmantoo has allowed us to enhance our risk management systems and cover a lot larger areas than we were. We're also able to identify rock falls so that we can depict high-risk zones directly under the high wall. The best thing about Sentry is that we collect this massive point data on a scan-by-scan basis. The Sentry and Studio systems that we operate here have been instrumental in us ensuring we have a safe, risk-free environment to work in. We can monitor walls prior to them moving and be able to alarm them if they do start moving, pick up small rock falls that help us define our highest risk zones and define what we refer to as our high wall toe restricted areas, where we spend the least amount of time as practically possible. The whole background of a steep wall design is you have to have systems in place that identify where all the risks are and to be able to manage them. The Maptek systems have helped us greatly in doing that. We used the Sentry and Studio systems together. What we normally do on the tailing system is we profile a slope. We have to put sand down and put a HPD liner in. When we do that, we have to prove that we've had a 200, 300 mil thickness of sand on it. We do the same thing in our outer cover that is going to go over the top of our integrated waste landform. So we have to have 2 meters of non-acid forming rock placed on top of the potentially acid forming rock. So once again, we scan as soon as we've profiled the potentially acid forming rock, and then we bring the non-acid forming rock, which forms the actual store and release cover. We place that and we profile that again. You can scan large areas quite quickly rather than having to run around with the normal survey methods of traversing back and forth on it. The best part about the journey is working with the actual people, right from the head researcher, James Howarth, to those developers who are writing the software packages. We've had a great relationship over the last 4 years, and we're looking forward to continuing that. They developed the Sentry system into a world-class slope monitoring system. We've had a lot of synergies between Maptek and Hillgrove at Kanmantoo. It's been excellent cooperation between the two.